Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 using your phone. So basically we have two options how to charge using a phone. The first one, we can use USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one at the back side of the charging case. Oh, sorry, you don't see it. So right now we have USB-C port, and you need to connect USB-C cable right at this port. And the most important, that if you see the LED light on the front side, it means that your earbuds are charging. So this one is important. The second option is to use reverse wireless charging. This earbud support wireless charging, so if your phone supports this technology, we can use reverse wireless charging. I have stock Android and I need to go to the settings, and in the batteries, here I have battery share. I need to enable this mode, and now I can put my earbuds in my phone, and as you can see we have the LED light, so it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.